Another case of lawlessness in Akhilesh's Uttar Pradesh. We hear that 2 cops allegedly raped a minor in Badau. Now, both the accused have been booked for rape after the victim's family filed an FIR. But both the UP cops who've now been placed under suspension are said to be absconding. And Pranshu is with us, getting us more details. Pranshu, it can't go horribly wrong, than this. We are talking about cops who've raped, again here. And it's not the very first time that we are looking at lawlessness from Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, that's right. In fact, this entire incident is very shocking because this incident of rape with a minor, that too by 2 men in uniform, has taken place on the night of 31st December, when generally it is expected that the cops across the state would be on the vigil to safeguard the opposite sex, safeguard the women. But in this case, this 14-year-old girl, she has made this allegation that she was kidnapped by 2 constables identified as Avinash Yadav and also one another constable. She was picked up in the police jeep, taken to that Mujabagh police station, and there she was raped by both these two constables at isolated quarters situated within the police station premises, and later on she was dumped outside the village. Now, when the family raised the alarm, the victim and the family met the senior officials. Only then, yesterday late night, the FIR has been registered against both these 2 accused constables identified as Veerpal Yadav and Avinash Yadav. At the moment, they have been suspended since the FIR has been registered. Both these cops are absconding. We are also awaiting the medical examination on the victim, but it's a very shocking case because this incident has taken place on the night of 31st December when this girl has stepped outside her house and she was kidnapped by these 2 constables, taken to the police station, raped, and then dumped outside the village. So clearly a very shocking case, and it again brings in a very a big question mark on the
Yes.
performance or on the attitude of the men in uniform, at least in Uttar Pradesh.
Absolutely, it does, Pranshu, and stay with us. In fact, this is the version that we are picking up from the SP of Badau, telling us more about the incident.
इसमें एक एप्लीकेशन लगभग 4 बजे प्राप्त हुई थी पुलिस कार्यालय में, जिसमें आरोप था कि कुछ आरक्षियों के द्वारा 2 आरक्षियों के द्वारा बलात्कार लड़की के साथ किया गया। तो इस संबंध में वो एप्लीकेशन थाने में भेज करके इसमें अभियोग पंजीकृत करा दिया गया है। इसमें फर्दर विवेचना होगी। विवेचना के उपरांत जो भी इसमें दोषी पाया जाएगा उसके विरुद्ध कार्रवाई की जाएगी और उसका पीड़िता का मेडिकल परीक्षण कराया जाएगा।
सर, इसमें बताया जा रहा है आरोप जिन पे लगाया जा रहा है वो सिपाही है मुफ्फरगान थाने के।
हाँ, सिपाही आरक्षियों के विरुद्ध आरोप लगाया गया।
सर, इसमें जैसे पीड़िता सुबह से भटक रही है, उसका कहना था कि सुबह से भटक रही है, पुलिस ने उसकी सुनवाई नहीं करी। आपके आदेश पर शायद बिल्कुल
4 बजे लगभग पुलिस कार्यालय में हो गई थी, तो उस पर उससे पूछताछ, महिला कांस्टेबल की उसमें उससे पूछताछ की गई। पूछताछ करने के बाद उसके एप्लीकेशन को थाने में तत्काल भिजवा करके उसमें अभियोग पंजीकृत कराया।
So the police telling us investigations are on in this matter. Pranshu continues to be with us. In fact, let's also listen into how the victim is reacting and what are the allegations that she is putting forth against these policemen.
8 बजे के टाइम पर लेटरिन गए मम्मी से कह के, और वहाँ गाड़ी खड़ी, एक अपनी सिपाही है और वीरपाल सिपाही है, वे उतरे बिना गाड़ी में डाल लो और आवाज़ ठिकाने ना दे, बोले ना दे मुँह दाब लो और लेके चले गए थाने पास कमरा हो, वहाँ लिए, वहाँ बोलन ना दो और कमरा में बेइज्जती करे।
घर कैसे पहुँची तुम?
फिर उन्होंने अपने आप को लिए और सिरसाई तरफ छोड़ दो, अपने बच्चे ले आए।
कौन से थाने के सिपाही हैं दोनों ये?
मूसा।
क्या इन लोगों को तुम पहले से जानती थी?
ना।
कभी कोई बातचीत तुम्हारी इनसे किसी से हुई हो?
ना।